Have a good race, everyone.
Yep, you too, buddy. Have a good one. These do not handle like the F4 cars. These LMPs.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this car track combo is not fun.
Still waiting on 2 cars to grid.
Saw quite a few of you spin out in practice. Yeah, it looks hard.
Oh, this track I've probably done my best on LMP3s. I'm not spinning out as much. Watkins Glen was the best track with these.
After it rained a week at Mugello, this track was much better.
Oh yeah, dude, that was ridiculous.
Jetstar 21 car.
Did maybe 8 races last week, and it was raining, all of them.
I wish I could have done Magello last week, but I can't stand driving in the rain.
I feel like the scoring in this game is just too intense.
I got a massive safety rating boost in the rain. I got 1 safety rating for 1 wet race.
Why are we not leaving a gap with the GT?
Oh, sorry, yeah, let's do it. It's my first time at the front of the grid.
Jetstar 21
chaos.
car. Post car is off.
Typically you want to leave like a pretty big gap with LMP3s. They're going to wreck somewhere.
Green flag, green flag. Car right, the next car's the leader. Clear, there's an incident ahead. Car right. Clear on the right. Car right. Stay on the left. Clear on the right. Car stops on the right. Go left.
What a crazy start.
Yay, I survived lap 1.
Car right. Clear.
Oh, I can't play this.
I have no idea how I survived.
Got a bit of breathing room now. Hopefully we can flex our track skills. Terrible.
God, I don't know how to get any speed coming out of the last corner.
Thanks for the bump there, I appreciate that. Dude, learn how to fucking drive, bro. This is white.
I need to get that last turn right quickly or I'm going to lose the position.
Down there for violence, bro.
What happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
That wasn't me, brother. That was the guy in front of me.
Oh, okay, my bad. I thought it.
Yeah, no, I watched the whole thing happen.
Yeah, he rear-ended me like 2 turns before that and let me out.
Zachary, you're in 14th of LMPs, brother. Not
Gas
doing our
too
race.
early there. I'm muting voice chat. I can't stand it. Finally, good exit. A little bit slow around the corner, but good
Just
exit.
set your fastest lap of the session.
That was a 50.7, strong
The
lap,
car in
strong lap.
P4, just set the fastest lap. 50.678.
That was a penalty.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Fuck yes, overtake.
The next car's the leader.
Concentrating really hard. It's a bit slow. Was that a better line than the guy in front of me?
New fastest lap for you. You're back in second.
It says he's over a second in front of me. I feel like it, but yeah.
The car in P5, just set the fastest lap. 50.462.
to get on the throttle earlier. Losing time there. Relatives are all, I swear they're not right. Oh, there you go, 0.8. They're not live, that's why.
Faster car coming up quick. Right side. Clear on the right. Go right. There's an incident behind.
Oh, track limits! We went outside track limits. Guess it's not a big issue.
The leader consider 51.814.
Oh shit, we're lapping. Oh wow, that was quicker than I've ever done it. Just remember how the hell I did that. See if this Cayman holds this Mercedes up.
Faster traffic approaching. Woo. Car right, keep to the left, clear on the right.
That was very, very difficult to manoeuvre that. Holy moly. I was looking in my mirrors whilst trying to line up a... How was that my fastest lap with all that going on?
P3, just set the fastest lap, 50.259.
Whoa!
Sport car on this track?
Yes.
Holy shit, that BMW behind me nearly took me out.
Yeah, let's call it.
Faster car coming up quick. Left side. Clear on the left. Car right.
Jesus Christ.
Clear. Left side. Clear on the left. Group of faster cars approaching. Car right.
Let's fucking go! Let's
Keep to
fucking
the
go!
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Oh no, 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 I'm gonna get overtaken. Maybe not.
Right side. Clear.
Thanks a lot,
Car right.
fucking idiot.
Clear on the right.
Someone's not happy.
What are
Oh,
you,
well.
nice, dude?
It's time to mute chat again in a sec.
Faster traffic approaching.
Oh, coming on the outside. I'll let him take the inside.
Right side. Clear on the right.
You are not taking that inside line, Mr. BMW. Oh, I was slow around there, sorry.
I'm giving you nothing. You can go around, Andy.
Car stops on the right.
Go, 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 go. No LMP cars to upset us for a couple of corners. Concentrate, come on. We take this corner very differently, me and this Mercedes.
That's what we're doing now, Alberto.
Takes that one a lot better than I do. Not better than that. I think he's faster, but he's way less consistent or safe with it. There we go, it was a 50.3. I'm still not on a sub 50 this race. Fastest I've done that corner in this race. No LMP cars in my mirror. Very difficult following someone this close. Shit.
Faster traffic approaching.
Oh, I lost it.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Sorry, Mr. LMP, shut the door on you there.
Left side. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Jeez Louise. Last half of this lap was terrible. Not excluding that last corner, god damn it. Mate, I was on for a sub 150 then, I swear. Actually, sector 2 is half a second as well.
You're losing on the car in
Never
front.
mind.
The gap is 1.3 seconds.
Oh, bit sloppy. Ten minutes left. It's like a boomerang, that corner. He's going to make a mistake. I'm going to have to just bank on that because I don't think I'm fast enough to overtake him. Fast enough to stay ahead of him, but I'll have to just rely on some good old
Keep it up. We're in a great spot.
distraction tactics. Sorry about that buff, Mercedes.
Faster traffic approaching. Left side. Clear on the left. Car right. Go left. Faster car coming up quick. Clear. There's an incident behind. The leader's gone off.
That was a bit naughty, that. I'm so sorry, man, that was a mistake.
Don't worry about it, I've already fucked my race anyways.
Alright, let's bring
Okay,
it
you are
home.
the leader.
Sloppy, sloppy, come on. Bit too slow, brake too early there. .7 seconds relative. That was good. That was good. It's alright. That was fine. 0.6 seconds relative. I need to do better. I need to do better. The guy behind me can taste victory. He can smell fear. Some of my best laps here. Needs to be down a gear then, god damn it. He's so close behind me, man. More worried about him taking me out than losing the position. That was so good, wasn't it?
Faster traffic approaching.
I'm going to let him have the inside line if he wants it.
Flat for you. Right side. Clear on the right.
Oh, he's gone off track. Beam is 1.4 seconds behind. That's some good breathing room now.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.5 seconds.
1.5 seconds. Three minutes to go. About 3 laps left. Not actually sure when the white flag gets waved. Not bad. I've gained even more time, 1.7 seconds.
You got about 5 laps of fuel left.
That should be perfect, that fuel. That was slow as hell, goddamn. That last corner I really need to work on. The last sector really. Right. Eyes on the prize.
Right side. Clear.
Should get the white flag this lap. The line those LMP cars take is crazy, dude. So much downforce. Two seconds gap, fuck yes. Sorry to swear.
Faster car coming up quick.
Perfect. There you go, mate.
Car right.
Not losing any time at all to
Clear.
that. It's always plus. Just need to keep left. That's the way it's done.
One more lap to win.
There we go. 1.8 seconds behind me, he's catching up a little bit. Not to worry. LMP car, overtake me on the next straight.
Faster car coming up quick.
Whoa! I did not see him. So LMP boys race until the bitter end. There you go. Get in the inside. Just go on, mate. Go on, get past me.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I really need a way to figure out easily whether it's 1 or 2 or 3 cars behind me. There we go. Best race ever, hands down. That was amazing.
You won. You drove a great race.